Ladies and gentlemen, today it's my honor to bring to you a brand new and exciting Seiko limited edition, which we were one of the first places to receive one. In 2023, it will mark the 110th anniversary of the first Seiko and Japanese wristwatch, which was created in 1913, being the Seiko Laurel. And now, Seiko has essentially remade this watch as a limited edition in the SPB359. This is hauntingly similar to the original, down to the same enameled dial, but with a few more complications. But will this inspired recreation be an inspiration for collectors to pick this piece up? Or should it not have been resurrected like the dinosaurs in Jurassic Park? Let's find out. What's up everyone, it's Chris with the Little Treasury channel. Welcome back. This is where we bring you original and in-depth watch content at least once per week. If you haven't already, please make sure to hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell to be alerted as soon as we upload. I'm from Little Treasury Jewelers, which is located in Gambrills, Maryland. And it's where you go when you're in the know. As always, the watches that I review are for sale and can be purchased, so please see the description below to contact us. If you're just joining us now, I'll go over the watch's detailed measurements and features, and then I'll offer my personal opinion at the end. In our last video, I reviewed the Omega Seamaster Titanium Ultra Deep, which is a modern marvel of engineering. However, a big beast of a watch on the wrist. Check this video out to see if this could be a great addition to your collection, or if this is just one to be put into a museum. Wrist check time. Today I have my Seiko Yakwat Chang limited edition Samurai on, which is a Thailand only piece, and I was lucky enough to find one on my Thailand adventure in the summer. So I've now seen my new watch mentioned in the comments a few times now. So great guesses everyone. Just 2 more weeks until I can actually open and unveil it to all of you. Now tell me which watch you're wearing while you're watching the video, and make sure to tell me why. Now let's get on to the features. The Seiko Watchmaking 110th Anniversary Limited Edition SPB359 has a 36.5mm case width, a 13mm thickness, a 38.9mm lug to lug, an 11.7mm lug width, a 32.2mm crystal diameter, and weighs in at 73.4 grams. The case is in stainless steel and is completely high polished with vintage style articulated lugs. The crown is pocket watch style and can be found at the 3 position. The sapphire crystal is box style and protrudes slightly above the case to help prevent scratches. The dial is enameled in white, just like the original, and is made by Mr. Yokosawa of the Fuji Porcelain Enamel Company. It has black Arabic numerals as the markers, with a red 12 and black minute ticks in between each. Seiko can be found at the top middle portion in black, with Presage and automatic below it. The hour and minute hands are spade style and are blued, along with a simple fine second hand. You have a very simple power reserve indicator at the middle left portion, with 3 simple dots and a 40 in black, with a blued hand. The date indicator is the subdial at the bottom middle portion, which has a circle divided into sections for each day, and numerals for every 5 days, plus a blued hand. No loom can be found on this piece as expected with a vintage style like this. The case back is closed and says Seiko in the center with the limited edition number proudly marked below it. The movement is the Seiko 6R27, which is a 44-hour power reserve, beats at 28,800 beats per hour, has 29 joules, and a power reserve function. The biggest difference between this and the 6R35 will be that this one will trade the beat rate of 21,600 beats per hour and 70-hour power reserve for a 28,800 beat per hour and a 45-hour power reserve. This may add more inertia and therefore give you better accuracy over periods of usage potentially. The strap is made out of deerskin and is a quasi-thin bun style, with a buckle on the side to release it from the timepiece itself. It has a simple tang buckle with Seiko written on it. The Seiko SPB359 is limited to 2,500 pieces worldwide, has a 50-meter water resistance, and can be yours for $1,800. Now for my personal opinion. This is a totally fascinating piece, which at first I was like, oh, what is that? But after I saw this next to the original Laurel, I got it, and it just felt very special to me. You really can't unsee how similar this is to the original, but also how they made it look a bit more modern with the date, power reserve, and regular seconds, and yet made them look totally at home and not busy on this clean enameled dial. This is a total labor of love that the designers made for the Laurel, and I really appreciate it. The strap is really fascinating on this as well, and I like how you can remove it with the pin buckle. However, you won't really have many other options to use here since the lug width is tiny. But this is still a nice detail that is appreciated. I like how different and unusual this piece is, and it looks small even on my 6.5-inch wrist. I really feel like I need to go buy a leather flight jacket to wear with this piece, since it really transports my wrist back to World War I or something along those lines. I really like this piece, and I think that it will be a big hit with Seiko fans, because who wouldn't want a recreation of the original Seiko watch for their collection? Thanks for watching today, everyone. I really hope that you enjoyed the video. And of course, if you did, please make sure to hit that subscribe button, give this video a like, and share with all of your friends and your family members too. I look forward to seeing you next video.